So, I already have a dilemma for this dress. Oh my gosh. Let me show you. Look how wide the back is. Oh my gosh. I gotta figure out a way to do this. Maybe I'll put a Velcro on the inside and attach it to the inside so when she pulls it off, it'll fold like this, because hooking them individually to a hook is gonna be way too much. I'll figure it out. Okay, so I think I might have found a solve to my problem. So we have these rolls over here of bra strap hooks, and I'm thinking of putting one under and then sewing the chains to the underside, the top side of this one, so I can hook it into this piece that will be sitting just under here. And it's nice and soft on the back, so it's not going to be scratchy at all. And I think that might work. I don't know. Should that be the dilemma? Oh my gosh. Already I got a dilemma on this dress and I haven't even started yet. Ugh. On this episode of Dress 14's Dilemma, I'm adding these beautiful Swarovski metal ropes. See? Swarovski metal ropes to the front of the dress, and I have to do it on the back of the dress as well. Now, all of our dresses open this way, same with the belts. Can I do it with one hand? Yeah, so this here opens this way, but if I sew chain to chain on each side, it's not going to be able to open. So I need to figure out a way to open it. So I'm needing an attachment. Something to attach it to, maybe this side, and I don't know. Okay, so I just went to the back and I found some bra strapping. So, this is a warehouse, a dress shop. We have tons of things at my disposal. And I found this bra strap hook. And I'm thinking maybe I can put one of these, we'll cut it in half, and then put one of these under this side, and then attach the chains to the hook portion. And they're both very soft on the back side, so it's not gonna be itchy or anything. And attach it like this to this side, and maybe that will be a easy way for me to attach it to the closure here. I don't know. Let me go ask somebody. Okay, so I added the hook to the loop side like this. And what I'm thinking is sliding this under the strap. Can I do it with one hand? Can I do it? Something like that. Just right under the strap, like that. And maybe see how it'll camouflage, and then maybe attach the chains to just the edging here. I don't know. And then create a beautiful frame to match the front. I think that is going to work. I think that'll work perfectly. I got the okay to go for it and try it to see if it works, so that's amazing. I cut down the hook, or the loop side, to 2 smaller pieces. I'll use this one for a later project, but we're gonna see if we can make this work. On this dilemma, it might be solved already. I don't know. Let's try it. Okay, so the loop side tucks in perfectly here, but the hook side has this excess piece of fabric. So right along this stitch line, we're gonna cut that off and see what we get. Alright, so I cut off that excess piece and it's looking like this. So this is the side that I'm gonna sew the chains on, and we'll see how that works. I think I need to cut some more. So on this hook side, it's a lot of fabric. So right against this line right here where the hook stops, I think I'm gonna cut that extra fabric off too. Alright, so that's a little bit better. Smaller, meaning that there's less space for me to have to tuck under this fabric here. I don't want to have to tuck it so far, so they have to dig in it to get it attached. And I'll add the chains in the blank spots in between each one of the hooks. And that is where we're going with it. And so what I just did was cut a little bit more of the fabric on the hook side, not the hook side, the loop side, just to expose this soft kind of felt. So more of that is exposed on the fabric and against the skin, so it's soft and you don't have to worry about anything getting hooked. Okay, so it is in there. You can't even see it. That is what it's going to look like. If you lift it up, you can see where the hooks are, where the loops are, and then it goes right back under, and I'll attach the chain just to the tip of it here so it loops over to this side and it's perfect. I did switch it from this side to this side because I was asked to, because that's how you undo a bra. You always do it this way. So we're gonna hook this way. Now let's install this thing. I think I'm just gonna do a quick stitch in it and then E6000 it down. Alright, so what I'm doing is just giving it a little stitch. I know you see the darts right there. That's where I'm stitching it in the different places. Then I'm gonna go back in with some E6000 and smooth that out because nobody wants that knot against their skin, and the rest of it is nice and soft. So I'll cover that with E6000 to make it nice and flat. And now I got one more to do, this one up here at the top, and the dilemma will be solved. You know, I really think that this is a very new, very innovative technique that I used right here to create a way to hide my strip for this chains here, and I absolutely love it. The way my mind works sometimes, I amaze my own self. But thank you so much for watching. This is so beautiful. One of my coworkers said it kind of looks like that Dior perfume bottle, the way that the drapes kind of go smaller in size, and I tend to agree. So gorgeous. So now that I got the back all nice and beautifully framed, I can really show you the effect of the dilemma and how I solved it. So you see how I cut that last piece of fabric off of the hooks here just to make a thin piece, and I sewed and glued all of the chains just to that hook piece all the way up. And this dilemma is solved and beautiful and amazing, and it's very easy to take off. As you can see, all of the hooks just like a bra. If you're just trying it on, you don't have to do all of the hooks, but definitely hook them all during your performance. But in just practice or just trying it on, you can do maybe a hook there, there, 4. this episode of Dress 14's Dilemma is solved. See you in the next one.